Brothers and sisters, welcome to all of you. Today, I am going to cook fried fish with side dish. This is to avoid hypertension and refrain eating meat. But before anything else, please like and subscribe to my channel. Start massaging the fish all over with magic granules. Then set aside. First, let's prepare the kamote leaves and saluyot for steaming. Put all the leaves in the steamer. Then cover it for 15 minutes to steam. Secondly, prepare the fish to fry. Add 1.5 cup cooking oil. Wait until oil is hot before frying. Put the fish in the frying fan one by one. Cook it for 15 minutes each side. It looks very nice. Now, remove the fish from the pan and set aside. Let's cook the shrimp paste. First, sauté chopped garlic. When the garlic becomes light brown in color, add the chopped onion. Then the sliced tomato. Add dash of magic granules. Add 1.5 shrimp paste. Mix to incorporate the ingredients. Put 2 tablespoons vinegar. Add 1/2 teaspoon sugar. Let's taste it. Oh no, it's awful. To have a better taste, we need to add 1/2 Knorr shrimp cube. Cut it in the middle. Taste again. Perfect, already delicious. Let's serve it. The finished product of fried fish with side dish. You could eat plenty of rice and free from hypertension. As a reminder, please like and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell to notify you. Thank you very much, and I love you.